Ready. Here you go. Forehand. Okay. Approach shot. Come in, come in, come in. Split step. Split step. Okay. Backhand volley. Overhead. Okay, what did I tell you about the overhead? Look at how you're doing this. I want you to look first. Plant your feet right here so that your body is facing this fence or this imaginary fence or wall. Point right here, have the racket up real close right here, and then step forward. Look over your left shoulder and step forward. Okay, back pedal, back pedal, back. Back pedal, back pedal. Recharge your battery, recharge your battery, recharge your battery. Okay, these balls are going to come at you a little bit quicker, so just shorten it up a little bit and then finish strong on the follow through. Here we go. Forehand. Good. Approach shot. Come in, split step, just block, okay, backhand, and then overhead. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. Now we just kind of met that ball right there. The next step would be to snap our wrists right here, snap our wrists. Now on the forehand volley, ready position, and have it way, way out in front. Look at how, can you see the, okay, come closer and show me that on the video. Right here. Let me see a forehand volley. Can you see the back of your strings? No. So that means that you have to, look right here, you have to, can I see the back of my strings? Yes. But all I'm doing is moving my wrist. I understand that, yes, it's a little bit heavy and your wrist is a little bit weak, but that's where we have the racket way, way out in front. Look, way, way out in front, and then, yes, right here. Try not to move your arm, try to move your wrist right here, and we're just, my elbow's slightly bent right here, and then I'm extending it and pushing it forward. The volley is a punch, it's a push, like it's a handprint. So if I have my hand right here, and I dip it in some paint, then I'm bending my wrist, and I'm handprinting. What happens if I go like this, and I splat? It goes all over the place. I want to handprint nice and easy. Okay, but that's gonna require some effort as far as building up your wrist strength. Have you been practicing your bouncing of the ball? Ayo! Have you been practicing your jump rope? No. Ayo! Have you been practicing, do you have the hand grip?
Yeah.
Have you been practicing that? Yes? All the time? That's half a ayo. Okay. All right. So let's do, just right now, let's switch to a little bit of volleys where all you have to do is just have it way out in front and just block it back. Oh, you see how, look, you're moving your arm. Have your wrist, bend your wrist, right there, good. Okay, and then come back. And you have to recover. Here, punch. Look at how I have my left hand real close so that I can recover real quick. And then I can relax this. Then I use up my energy right here. Then I come back and relax it. Here, come back and relax it. Here. Now, your grip is kind of falling over right here. You want to have it kind of firm right here. A little bit higher, and it has to be the backhand grip. Remember, this line right here has to be in the middle of your thumb and your index finger, okay? So that then you can just bend it, and it's slightly bent, maybe a 45-degree angle, and you're pushing it forward. So let me see it, up, but you're moving your arm a little bit too sideways. You're moving your arm, just your wrist, nope, but that's your arm. Have your arm out in front. You gotta just move your wrist. Yeah, right there, that's fine. Wrist, that's good. Again, okay, come back. Here, good. Come back. Again, that's the start of the volley. Now, one other thing is that the ball's gonna come at you fairly quickly, so that's why we don't need to take such a big swing. Not only do we not need to take such a big swing, but we can't, because the ball's going to pass us. So that's why we need to have the racket way out in front here and just blocking it back. We always come back to the, and regroup right here to the ready position. Here, good. Come back, regroup, because you don't have enough strength. Regroup. Okay, all right, now let's push these balls forward. Let's go back over there and let's try to go and do that drill again. but I'm looking for that improvement on the forehand volley. Okay? All the way back, all the way back. Ready. Forehand. Okay, you kind of ran into that ball. I'd like for you to take the racket back, then start to realize where the ball bounces, gauge the depth of how fast it's coming, and then take little steps to kind of make sure that you are in the right place, and then meet that ball and follow through, instead of just taking big steps walking to that ball. So start over. Okay, ready? All the way in the corner right here. Not that corner, right? That corner right there. Are you ready? It doesn't seem like you're ready. No, not the Pee Wee Herman. Left, right. Keep that engine running. Now take the racket back, move, stop, and then hit. Good. Now approach shot, move, stop, and then hit. Good. Come in, split step. Racket out in front, forehand volley. Okay, good. Backhand volley. Right here. Now overhead, put your right foot, yes, right there. And then snap your wrist. That was a lot better, cleaner. Now let's go back and do that again. Okay. One thing that I'm really enjoying though is that how you're attentive and you're listening, and hopefully that you can review the videotape as well. I'm feeling the good energy of how you're listening and you're reacting and how you're playing. Okay, so that's really good positive, and you're remembering to keep the feet moving. Good. Take the racket back, stop, hit. Good. Again, approach shot, stop, hit. Good. Come in, split step. Forehand volley, okay, backhand volley, okay, overhead, turn, excellent. Oh wow, you pay attention. Although you hit that ball kind of up high right here, that's where we should be right here, and then be able to snap the wrist. Okay, let's go back again. Let's go back 2 more times. There you go, keep the engine running, take the racket back, stop, hit, good, again, come in, stop. We could have stopped a little bit closer. Split step, volley, come in, keep coming in, overhead. Okay, next, one more time. I'd like to see a back pedal instead of turning around and running back. That helps it stop, and then hit. We kind of didn't stop too early enough here. Stop and then hit. Come in, split step, forehand volley, backhand volley, overhead. Okay, next, one more. Volley, stop, and then hit, approach shot. Okay, come in, keep coming in, split step, backhand volley, forehand, overhead. All right.